So people ask me, does having upsales, downsales give more revenue? Because when I talk about upsales, downsales, people don't have a clue what I'm talking about sometimes. And they're like, what, is that going to give me more revenue? Well, let me explain to you. Right, standard web page, yeah? Okay, standard offer, standard sales page, yeah, will make you X amount of money, yeah? Whatever that value is, yeah? Let's just use it as a, let's go $19, pounds, wherever you're watching this video from, offer, okay? That is the profit of that, no matter what that is, okay? You could sell 2 of them and make slightly more, yes, but that is all you are going to get, whatever that is, okay? Adding an upsell and downsales, etc. throughout this offer is how you then create more revenue, okay? You've spent something, yeah, whether it be Facebook ads, YouTube, yeah, something to get someone to watch this video, to purchase this product, yeah, which then gives you a return on your money. That's your capped, okay? If you add an upsell, which is literally another page straight after they have purchased the product, okay? It's as simple as this, okay, guys? Once they have gone to the next page, it can be a video of yourself, it can be a video of the product, it can be just a picture, okay? Every offer works differently depending on what the offer is, and you offer them another product anywhere between $7 to $9.97. Okay, it tends to work around the 2.9. If I could draw 2.97 mark. Okay, what have you now done? Okay, they didn't see this product before. They didn't know this existed, or they didn't choose to buy this. But if you make it complementary to this product, they're now going to be interested. And then you say, but not everyone's going to buy that, Matt. And you're right. A percentage of people will buy this. Okay, a percentage of people won't. So let's say, let's go really bad, and these are quite bad numbers. Let's say 5% buy this. We send the other 95% of people down here, which is what you call downsale. So, for example, whatever the product is here, it's got to be complementary here. And the reason I'm not being specific with a product is because I want you all to understand this can be done with anything. I don't want to put a product here and be like, oh, you can't do that with my product, Matt. You could do this with any product. Any product, okay? This could be a cleaning company offering a clean. This could then be, hey, what about monthly service? Okay? This could be weight loss pills. Hey, how about buying 6 bottles for the price of 4? This could be a zippy cup kids bottle. This could be a children's plate and cutlery set. This could be a football. This could be an accessory for football, like jumps, okay? This could be a collector's item. This could be more of the collector's item, okay? Whatever this item is, there is always something it can be, okay? There's always something you can sell them. Otherwise, you wouldn't be in business. You don't just have one product, okay? You think you've got one product, but there's different ways you can offer that product, even if you have got one, okay? More of it. Come on, think about it. But again, this is where we help with that and help you get to that idea, okay? So if that is something that of interest to you and you want help on that front, book a call with one of the teams. There'll be a link around here somewhere. Book a call and we can help you, okay, on that front. But anyway, let me dive back in the deep, yeah? So 5% of purchase, which means 95%, we're just basing this off 100 people, yeah, have come down and they're going to see this down sell, yeah? Again, these are bad numbers, okay? Let's say another 5% buy this offer, yeah? You then send them up here and they go there. So for example, just for those that aren't quite with me, the original page, floating the upsale of the other product, 5% bought, so that means they don't see this offer, okay? The 95% people that didn't see that offer flow down here and watch this. Both people, whether they're here or here, then go to another product, okay? And this can be, again, you can make this a higher or lower end product. Whatever it is, it's got to be complementary to what it is you sell, okay? And again, let's just use the numbers 27 to 297, okay? I know people that use this on the back end to 2,000, 5,000 offers, 10,000 offers, okay? Depends on your product, okay? Depends what it is. But let's just use these small numbers, yeah? Yeah? every time that you was selling this item here on this part, that's all you was getting. Now you've got 5%, so you've got another 5 sales here, got another 5 sales here, and then you've got another, let's say 5% here again. I'll just use really bad numbers. These are bad numbers. Like we're talking like 10s, 20s, 10s, like doubling. I'm just using these worst case scenarios, yeah? So you've got another 5 sales of this product here, 5 sales of this product here, 5 sales of this product here. Your cart value has probably quadrupled. And this is where I say to people, that's the difference between making this small amount here to then adding it, which then means, what can you now do? You can now spend more money here. Okay? If you can spend more money to acquire a customer, you will win. You will outdo all your competitors. Okay? Like, it's as simple as that, guys. Okay? Like I said, if you want us to help you build this process, you can hop on a free call and we can like go for the basic understanding and say what here it is, what you need to do, go for your business and go like that. We're more than happy to do that, okay? Click below, book a free call. And if you've got any questions, ask us, yeah? We're here to help. We want to divulge this information and we want to help you, okay? So, like I said, it's your choice. Follow the plan. More leads, more sales. More money to spend here, more money here, more money here. It's a no-brainer, guys. Get it done. Book a call. We'll see you on the inside.